This is Engadget. Here's what's happening in the world of technology. It's Monday, September 27th. Some new iPad mini customers aren't enjoying the tiny tablet's new screen as much as they'd like. 9to5Mac reports that users, including The Verge's Dieter Bahn, have noticed a jelly scrolling effect where one side of the screen scrolls at a different rate than the other, producing a wobble occasionally noticeable in portrait view. The effect is harder to spot if you tilt the iPad to a landscape orientation, but that's not much consolation if you like to read websites and social feeds. We've asked Apple if it can comment on the jelly effect. It's unclear if the quirk is linked to hardware, such as the screen itself or a display controller, or can be addressed through software. We'll let you know if we have a chance to replicate the issue. This won't necessarily hurt functionality, especially if you tend to use the iPad mini in landscape mode or view content that doesn't produce the effect. It's also uncertain just how widespread the issue really is. With that said, you probably won't be thrilled if you notice this wiggle on Apple's small but premium slate. And you'd think large galaxies in the early universe would have had plenty of fuel left for new stars, but a recent discovery suggests that wasn't always the case. Astronomers using the Hubble Space Telescope and the Atacama Large Millimeter Submillimeter Array, ALMA, have found 6 early galaxies, about 3 billion years after the Big Bang, that were unusually dead. That is, they'd run out of the cold hydrogen necessary for star formation. This was the peak period for star births, according to lead researcher Kate Whitaker, so the disappearance of that hydrogen is a mystery. The team found the galaxies thanks to strong gravitational lensing, using galaxy clusters to bend and magnify light from the early universe. Hubble identified where stars had formed in the past, while ALMA detected coal dust, a stand-in for the hydrogen, to show where stars would have formed if the necessary ingredients had been present. The galaxies are believed to have expanded since, but not through star creation. Rather, they grew through mergers with other small galaxies and gas. Any formation after that would have been limited at most. The findings are a testament to the combined power of Hubble and ALMA, not to mention Hubble's capabilities decades after its launch. At the same time, it underscores the limitations of both the technology and human understanding by raising a number of questions. Whitaker noted that scientists don't know why the galaxies died so quickly or what happened to cut off the fuel. Was the gas heated, expelled, or just rapidly consumed? It might take a while to provide answers, if answers are even possible. If you want to catch the latest tech news as it's happening, check out Engadget.com or tune in again every weekday.
Spoken Layer.